Hi everybody, it's again me, Dasha, master student at Aalto University, and today I'm going to show you how students live at Aalto Campus. Aalto Campus is located in the district of Otaniemi in Espoo, and yeah, let's see what do we have here. So now we are going to visit Katja, who is also master degree student at Aalto. She's studying chemical engineering and she's also part of Aalto squad.
Welcome to my apartment. So this is the place where I live. Usually students don't share their rooms in Finland, so I have my own room, and welcome, I'll show you. This is my room. I've got a bed, I've got the mattress for my parents if they want to come visit me for a weekend, and then I've got, I don't know, a table, a chair, a lamp, everything a student needs. The room comes without furniture usually, so students buy their tables and beds and everything from IKEA or Jysk or somewhere else. But then you can also get a bed from a previous tenant, like I did. So my previous tenant just left this bed and I got it for free. And all I had to buy is a table and a chair, and that's pretty much it. And the room comes unfurnished. There is nothing but the white walls and maybe a wardrobe, and that's it. I'm very lucky to have my own bathroom, because usually people share their bathrooms, but I've got my own. And it's very simple. It's a sink, a toilet and a shower. I don't know. What I'm also very lucky about is to have my own fridge in my room, which is right here. And this is not full right now, but I'm getting some groceries tonight. Here I have my little coffee corner. Well, I don't really drink coffee, so I have tea, honey, the kettle and everything I need. The Christmas is coming, so you can see how students decorate their rooms for Christmas.
That's really funny. Yeah, but actually, where do you cook your food?
Oh, there is a shared kitchen that we share with 10 more people.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Okay, let's go check it out.
This is our kitchen. We share it with 10 more people, and this is honestly as clean as it gets. This is our stove. I don't know, nothing really special. An oven where you can bake your things, and then a sink. And there is quite often dirty dishes in here, and not everybody cleans them, but we're trying to solve this problem. A microwave, and then we've got plates and cups and mugs and everything. Sometimes they're shared, sometimes you have your own, depends on you. Then we've got, I don't know, like a small corner with a kettle where you can make your coffee, a toaster as well. Yeah, just a simple regular kitchen. But then we've also got a living room just behind this wall. I'll show you. Here we keep all of our... We don't have enough space for the pans and frying pans, so we've got them here. We've got 2 comfortable couches to sit on and hang out and just spend time together. We've got a table to dine at, but many students just dine in their rooms. But you can also invite some people and have a dinner all together.
Okay, what are these things?
So each student has his own storage area, a small box where he can keep his stuff. This one is mine, or maybe I don't know. Yeah, so it looks like this.
So it's for kitchen, yeah.
Yeah, so you can keep your pasta and everything you need for the kitchen in this box. And each one has a locker. Okay. So you can lock it with your key.
Okay, but you don't.
I don't. Nobody steals it.
Because it's Finland, yeah, nobody steals your food. Okay, so would you like to tell how did you apply for this flat and how much do you pay?
There are 2 main companies in Helsinki that you can apply for student housing. One is AYY, which belongs to Aalto, and the other one is HOAS, which belongs to just all the universities in Helsinki. So I applied through AYY website. There is an application form and you just fill in all the necessary
information.
Yeah, you fill in all the necessary information like your surname, name, date of birth, whether you're enrolled in Aalto and stuff like that. And then you wait, and then you get an apartment.
So to be clear, only the students who actually study can get these apartments?
Yes, only bachelor students and master students of Aalto University can apply for housing from AYY. It is really important to apply for student housing as soon as you get a study place, because there are many students who want to get student apartments and the queue is pretty long. So I paid 265 euros a month for this room, but there's also a deposit which every student has to pay before he moves in here, which is usually 1 month rent. So in my case it's also 265 euros that you pay before you move in, and then they give you this money back after you move out. Students can do their laundry here as well, downstairs, and there is a reservation for a washing machine which can be done through AYY laundry reservation system. And you can see here that there are 2 washer machines, for example, in this building, and you can book one of them and just, for example, let's pick the time slot at 4 o'clock, and then you just select your house, your stair number, and then your apartment. You put your email for reservation and you press reserve, and that's it. And nobody will use it in your time if you have booked it. And then you just, when your time comes, you go there and you start your washing. So this is our laundry room. When you booked your time slot, you can come and open the machine and just put your stuff inside and then close the door and press the button, and then it will work for an hour, I don't know. But what's important is that you have to come before your time ends, otherwise somebody will put this and take your stuff out and put his stuff inside, and if you don't want that to happen, you gotta come on time. And this is the drying machine. You can put your stuff in here and just get them dry if it's urgent or necessary, but usually I just hang my things old-fashioned style.
Okay, Kata, thank you so much for your hospitality and for showing us your flat.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, see you soon.
Always welcome. Bye.
Bye. That is it for today. Thank you for being with us, and I'll see you soon in the next videos. Bye!